Okay.
What
So
update join?
Okay, sim US are joining. Aham Ada.
Okay.
Waham, yes. So updating Chorenya is specifically for nurses because ebe ebe nọ na field now, ịghọta.
Blues ogwa anyị enugo di.
Yes, I'm going to say yes.
Biko ewuru nwanya chee ka mmụọ ọkwa dị mkpa. Ewuru nwanya ịgbagote ebe a, ịma na ị nọ na nke beach, ịma na anya niile dị ebe ị nọ. Ịgbagote ebe a, ikwuo na inugokwe di. Ka DM Igbo na-eju na hello fine how are you ka ime isi. Akwịghọta. Nne gị anyị update iji about USA.
Okay, update Ninji for US and all specifically for nurses. Ịmago ka onye isi obodo si emetụta azụbata ịma na Arabia dị na-agba ya nke ikpeazụ a. Ịghọtara. So, and the good part of it is that ebibu m na Germany before for 3 years. Before, in fact, Adam school na Ukraine. My migration was from Ukraine to Germany. That bomb na Ukraine, Ratapos, or what Germany. Visit Germany 3 years, then migrate to US. Because US were for all my last bus stop. So for nurses, I'm come for Germany or for US. I'm nke teach
Wo nke anwe maali nke US am kai.
Okay. Nke US wo. Ịbụrụ nọọsụ chọrọ ịgbagote US, an international nurse. Ka mụ nwa si mee m ga-ekwu because enwere m the experience, that is why m ji bịa. So ị ga-esi mee bụ first of all, ị ga-ebu ụzọ megodi your documents evaluate. Enwere a body nọ na US ebe a that is ọha na-ahụ maka international nurses. A na-akpọ ha CGFNS, all for foreign nurses alone. So ị ga-ebu ụzọ gaa with them, send there your transcript, but ọwụghọgụnwa ga-esend the
transcript. Go do your audio.
Oh,
check your audio on a shake.
Okay.
I need the code clear.
Can you hear me now?
Machine. Dobe phone go for ebe. Dobe phone give one place. E shake is in here. Dobe phone give one place. E shake is in here.
Okay. Odigo now.
Yeah, because governors
it's okay now, right?
A lot of governors now work here in Ekuna. Ganilu.
Okay, so apina nende bukita.
Yes.
Okay, so for US, for nurses teacher area US, they are practice here as a nurse. Number one step, ige megodi hana evaluation of your results, your BSN results. Ige megodi evaluation of that results. And you cannot just do it with anybody. Ige me specifically with CGFNS. So you will know so here you can be writing it down. And has CGFNS. So when you evaluate with them, how can you get your transcripts so that they can be able to know my irukwere your ebe gara nursing egema or they are up to standard to the US standard. And then they get send that transcripts or your school, ebe your BSN, or how I get send the transcripts. It's not you. So in a fill the form one after the other, or the self-explanatory. Okay, how long you got school? Get some subjects in megasi. There, like your license, your license number. So you also have to put it there. Then you also have to pay a fee. I think during my own time, was $380. But now, due to every year, they may increase. So I think now is $400. So that $400 is for your evaluation. It made that your results evaluates. So if you chana the ogo, I'm gonna form na that your portal because already you got a create an account with that CGFNS. When you create accounts with them, then that same portal, which is where you created an account, you got a form again. That form when I give send it to your school, cause school will be filled there, then send this area the CGFNS electronically or by post. In the form, you even see their address. Hanona Philadelphia, Abraham. So their address is there. Your school be here send your transcript to them, and when your school sends it, they will also let you know in their box in helping her send there again, any message just send there again in that your portal will come automatically to your email.
Okay, iwe wenegi not ndị anyị na-ekwu na ndị qualify for this.
Yes.
Ndị nọọsụ ọbụla ebe ọbụla ọ nọ all over the world.
Yes, nọọsụ ọbụla nọ all over the world, but BSN, Bachelors of Science in Nursing.
Okay.
Ọwụghọ School of Nursing.
Okay. Then ka ọ ga-esi nweta this form.
Form a na-agwa gị is o create account with ndị a na-akpọ CGFNS.
Okay, continue.
Yes, so that form nọ na ị na-efili chezi the form ha ga-ajụ gị njọ gị ma your secondary school ebe ị ga secondary school ha ga-ajụcha gị all this thing. Ha ji ajụ gị ha because they will go and do verification. Ịghọtara? So ha ga-agba gị touch very well ka ama m na-ekwu eziokwu. Even I think they will even send somebody to your secondary school ka ajụọ check your results ma ị gakwa secondary school. Then that form nọ na that CGFNS portal ị ga-create. Then if weteze that form ahụ ka ịkwụcha ụgwọ form ahụ nọ dị ya i wereze the form send ya to your institution ebe ị nweta your bachelor's degree which is in nursing, not School of Nursing. Awụkwa nọọsụ Eliza auxiliary nurses BSN. That is ị ga-agụ 4 years or 5 years na school anya BSN. Then after that ka ha sendizie the school gị sendizie ha your transcript. They will also let you know that they have gotten your transcript. Then ha bidozie maybe evaluate. The evaluation takes like 3 to 8 weeks. Nke mụ anọcha up to 3 months because my school was delaying in sending the results, my transcript to them. So, but normally ọ kwesịrị 3 to 8 weeks apart from enwezi any delay ọzọ zibiazin. So then when your Hemecha evaluates, they will also write you na Hemecha go the evaluation and they need the up to standard of a US nurse. Then again gị ha na-akpọ your reports, your evaluation reports.
Okay. What about result onye average result or ga pass with this process?
Okay, what I mean by average result.
Like onye go a graduate GD certificate and a particular level of result need or just any graduate can do this?
No, in here specifically for nurses.
Gune graduates.
Who a graduate, yes. We're a bachelors of science in nursing.
Onwe mark you need the amaloma
okay, like CGPA. No.
Okay.
Onwe CGPA need.
Here.
Yes, you got school ask for. So when the Hemecha did that evaluation, they will not get back to you. Say na Hemecha go kwa. But before then, you need to fill that CGFNS form in your portal. You got whoever say the Board of Nursing chọrọ register with na US. And we're in New York, and we're in Texas, and we're in Atlanta. So any of them, with much more personally, I choose Texas because Texas is more easier. So obviously, just be registered with New York Board of Nursing. The person can go ahead, but I use Texas. So Henyeze get that report at the end of the 8 weeks. Hemecha the evaluation check here step by step. In her evaluation meaning they will go through all your courses compare it with intending US in Kamarama onokwa in the same level. So all no in the same level. I did say congratulations, no in the same level. That you can now proceed register for the Board of Nursing HR. So that one is step 1 for international nurses. Step 2 is after you send your report to the Board of Nursing, you choose Texas or New York or Alabama, any of them. Then you may pay another portal with the Board of Nursing HR. Either the exam with. Because he get
Alabama on a US card on a buy.
Alabama on a US.
Okay.
Texas, New York, Alabama, Arizona, Hampton on a US. Bishop, just come here.
Alabama. Each web boy Alabama. Not is it or not is it Konyama.
But Alabama, other than US. Then
continue.
ị ga-aga mezie register with Texas Board of Nursing ọbụla ị mere input when you were doing your evaluation. For example, I will use Texas. Oh, not Texas, is okay, not that each register with, each email license with. Because the reason for this evaluation is because you want to write the nursing exam. Without writing that nursing exam in US, you cannot practice in US. You get the exam pass, yeah, and I wear NCLEX. So he registers it with the Board of Nursing HR, which is I for example, I use Texas. He measure with Texas. Then Texas abịasị go okay, na ị ga-ede one first exam. A na-akpọ ya Texas jurisdiction exam. Nke a just get test knowledge gị. Ka amakwa m iso ịghọtakwa ihe a na-akọgodi m ịghọka uche ga-adịkwa ma ara ọgbaga gị. Ịghọtara. Then
that NCLEX on outside the US ka ị ga-enene ya outside the US.
Oh yes, it all depend. You choose, but Nigeria enweghị the center. In Nigeria, ngwongwo na ngaga juru ya, so he ekweghị center there. So the closest center ị ga-aga the exam wụ na Kenya.
Okay.
For enwekwa na South Africa, enwe na Kenya, enwe na Philippines, enwe na South Africa, but so no na Nigeria. So for that Board of Nursing emere, you get the jurisdiction exam, which is first step. It can't be difficult. You can't just get test to go to your knowledge. Then after that, the Board of Nursing, which is Texas, as I'm using, we demand for your fingerprints. I got your fingerprints because you got the door of exam. You got some prints. I'm a one when you the exam we had done. In my fingerprints, I got to ash. I get you or anything. So I want in Nigeria. Probably because how were a center in US and were body in charge of that fingerprinting. But due to now, everybody will not come to US, see me that fingerprinting. In here, game will have to go okay. They will give you option. Can you send your fingerprint card? That's if you go to Amazon and I wear fingerprint card and area na Amazon. I think $10 or so. Then you go to black ink. Some print is here yourself. Na that card you get gote. It on print ya. He send this area to Texas to Board of Nursing again at US. You will send it to them. Then when you now send it to them, has it okay? They will go through it. Kama where any error. Won't any error. Then open I want any error with your fingerprinting. Haga see okay. They will now write you CGO. Now he receive go your fingerprint. Now hope you na that your nursing portal na make you update na fingerprint you go okay. Then a gazette to register for the exam. You register for the exam is $200. Then you register for the exam.
Anywhere 200 on official price.
Yes, official price 200.
Okay.
So you register there for the exam. As you go okay, now you choose the center each or you got the exam. Then go at this email with each other, choose every na digging. So obviously, you can center in Ogasidia, Nigeria, no, unfortunately, funding on Nigeria. So after that, you choose the center. They will now send you authorization to test for the exam, and again, you give just 90 days to prepare for the exam. So that means, in other words, before I do the process, you can go out for now. You can go out for that exam because the exam but you feel do am.
Onye isi kpochili, onye brain kpochi, onye nwere ovula akwụkwọ, o ya pass nwe exam ahụ.
Onye na-ekwu akwụkwọ adịghịkwa m sure.